Hello my dear beginners in sewing. This video teaches you how to correctly read your tape measurement if you don't know how to do that already. So if I were you, I'll stick around and see this video to the end because you're going to learn how to correctly and accurately read your tape measurement. So let's get started. So for the standard tape rule that we use here, this side is in centimeters, this small side, while the other side is in inches. Alright, so this side is in inches, and let's learn how to use the part we normally use for measurement here. So this tape, this side is measured in inches and it's from 1/8 to 1 inch. So we have 1 inch, then the second line there is 1/4 of an inch, then the fourth line there is 1/2 of an inch, that's the middle long line. Then we have 1/2 of an inch plus another 1/4 is 3/4 of an inch. Then we have 2 inches. I hope that's clear. Let's go again. So we have 2 inches, the next 2 lines is 2 1/4, the next 2 lines after that is 2 1/2, the next 2 lines after that is 2 3/4, then the next 2 lines is 3 inches. And that's how to correctly and accurately read your tape measurement. So let's do this for 6. So we have 6 inches, we have 6 1/4 inches, next 2 we have 6 1/2 inches, the next 2 lines we have 6 3/4 inches, then we have 7 inches. It's that simple and that easy to read, guys. So just keep going, and that's how you learn how to read your tape measurement. So whenever you have a client and the measurement falls in between, for example 12 to 13, you already know correctly how to read it and what each of those lines stand for. So let's read together this one. We have 12 inches, we have 12 1/4 inches, we have 12 1/2 inches, the next 2 lines we have 12 3/4 inches, then we have 13 inches. Let's do for 20 and let's read together. We have 20 inches, we have 20 1/4 inches, we have 20 1/2 inches, we have 20 3/4 of an inch, then we have 21 inch. So that's how you read your tape measurement. Don't forget to practice, and I'm sure you're going to get it. If you want to see more videos like this, don't miss this beginner series because I'm going to be dropping beginner videos, how to sew, pattern drafting, and lots of videos. So this is the best time to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be among the first to know whenever I drop a new video. I post videos like this every single week. And also don't forget to like this video, comment, drop a comment on this video, and also share to your friends who love fashion and who are beginners in sewing. This channel is going to greatly help them. So with that said, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to keep practicing, keep loving, and keep sharing this video. Have a fabulous week.